Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They are under the radar. Not many people mention them. I think at least you should do a research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have an unboxing and first impression for you, and this is another Middle Eastern brand that I bought one of their fragrances a few weeks ago, and I was so impressed with the first one, which was called Musk is Great by Zimaya, that I had to go and get two more from them because amazing quality, especially for the price. This is what we always say in our videos, in my videos. I would say what you get and what you pay, it should be great trade-off. Okay, so with this Middle Eastern brand, majority of them, almost all of them, but majority of them, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price you pay. And for this brand, they're making Extrait de Parfum 100 ml, and this one is called Amber is Great, under 20 quid, and that it is in itself should say, the sirens should sound and say, "We come on, let's go." But you know me, I never say go on blind buy. Okay, I always say do your research, try it for yourself if you can. Sometimes you can't, it's not possible. Then if you are going blind buy, that's your decision. All I'm doing is bringing it to your attention, and then from there you take it. Whatever you do with that information is up to you. Hopefully you're the adult, you are making a decision, so from there you take it yourself. Anyway, so before I go with the unboxing, if you do like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go with unboxing. You know, when you do that, you can't do anything about the noise. Sorry about the noise. So the box, under £20. How do they do it? Every time it gets me. Every time I'm surprised. Look at this. Thick cardboard, very beautiful design. It's like embossed design on it. It's a bit of retro to it. Very attractive design. Attention to detail is everywhere. Look at that. Look. Where do you get under £20 such a beautiful packaging? And although I always say packaging is there just to protect the bottle, but when you get something like this, is a bonus. And as I said, the Middle Eastern brand know how to do this. Okay, sorry about the noise. Beautiful design. Look at this, gorgeous design. Attention to detail everywhere. So Amber is Great by Zimaya, Extrait de Parfum 100 ml, and this is beautiful gold and brown, because this is amber, so they're going for a brown one. And it opens like this. Look at the bottle. The bottle itself, it looks super expensive, and it'll probably cost you more than what I paid. Anyway, so super heavy bottle, very attractive design, brown from dark to golden color, and again the design is there, embossed. It's like a plaque on it. I'm not sure what kind of it might be plastic or it might be aluminium, I'm not sure, but it is very attractive. So attention to detail, it's everywhere. The cap itself is super heavy, and I lost the atomizer. Very clever. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, with unboxing and first impression, something like this will happen. Anyway, the cap is beautiful, and the atomizer, here we go. Very good atomizer. Okay, so Amber is Great by Zimaya. I will leave the name in the description if you want to do your research. In United Kingdom, There's only one place selling it for under 20 quid. The rest are usually selling it for £30 or even more. So if you want it, don't hesitate, because notino.co.uk is the only place selling it for under £20. And they have the three of them. This one, amber, is great, oud is great, plus the musk is great. I unboxed and reviewed musk is great, and it was beautiful. 10 out of 10 I gave it. And this one, let's go. Here we go. First impression. Absolutely gorgeousness. For what I paid, this is a bargain. End of story. End of the video. Bye. See you later. But wow, what a beauty. So first thing it hits me is the fruitiness. It's a fruity amber. So this is not a super deep, dark, gooey amber. No, this is quite a bright, quite light, but fruity amber. And the fruits in here are quite what do you call it, quite dark, not dark, dry fruit. Okay, so it's a dry fruit instead of fresh fruit. Here is dry fruit. Oh my god, what a beauty. So I can smell something like orange, I can smell something like an apple, I can smell something like a pear, I can smell something like what's his name, coconut. Yeah, coconutty. So it's quite aquatic, but it's not super aquatic, just giving it that watery feel. But it's not oceanic, it's not salty, just aquatic. Okay. Yeah, it's got a backbone of aquaticness, and also it's got a big musk in here. So the musk is playing as a putting everything together, rounding everything up. Plus that amber is making it beautiful. The amber here is fruity amber, is sweet amber, is happy amber, and that makes it all year rounder. So you can use this anytime, any season, any occasion. Super maximum versatility, any age, even the age is ageless because of that happy, bright and fruity amber. Oh my god, it's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So if you like what I described, mamma mia, no brainer for under £20. That is just ridiculous. Bargain of the century. Okay, but you need to like amber. I love amber. I'm a big fan of amber, and because of that wateriness and the fruitiness, it makes it universal. Usually with ambers you get a little bit of mature feel, but this one doesn't have that because of that beautiful fruity opening of it. Obviously in the next video I'll let you know the development and longevity and things like that, but Extrait de Parfum, I'm expecting it to last ages. So in terms of performance, most likely this is going to be great anyway. But in terms of smell, obviously it's going to develop, and I'll let you know, because at the moment it's gorgeous. It opens with the fruits, fruit, and the amber and the musk right now. So, and so also a tiny tinge and hint of spiciness. Yeah, a hint of spiciness and a hint of leathery feel to it as well. Tiny bit of leather, tiny bit of hint of spice. The spice here is again bright spice. It's not a dark spice, it's that bright. It's like something like a cinnamon or maybe a little bit of saffron in here. So it mixing that tinge or hint of spiciness, as well as amber, as well as musk, as well as of the fruits, as well as of the aquaticness. And this is for the beginning. All right, absolutely gorgeous to the max. I'll give it 10 out of 10 for this beautiful opening. The opening is just massive. It's so inviting, so pretty, so warm and gooey little bit. It's not a huge deep amber, but it's, again, we got amber in here, and that gooiness is still there. Is that that body is still here, okay? But as I said, because of the fruits and the musk, it giving a lift and it makes it quite bright, and also there is an aquatic element to it. I'm not sure what kind of aquatic it was intentional or not, I'm not sure, but it makes it very super inviting, very beautiful. Okay guys, I'll let you know in the next video the development and the longevity and things like that. Our first impression for Sniff, 2 thumbs up. If I had 10, I would give it 10 thumbs up. Okay, very good value for my money, amazing. I'm just speechless. How can they do it with this, such a presentation, such a beautiful perfume, such a good quality, no alcohol whatsoever, no harshness whatsoever. It's just straight to the perfume because it's Extrait. The Parfum is so oily. Look at my hand, it's so shiny and oil, and this is what you get with Middle Eastern houses, Middle Eastern brand, majority of them anyway. They are very good value for money, and they give you everything plus the kitchen sink. Okay guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like what I do, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. And if you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, they are out of this universe. They are very artistic, super interesting, super beast mode. But you need to live in a kingdom. You'll be lucky if you live in our kingdom to purchase one of my fragrances. I'm a perfumer. I make them myself. Nobody else is involved. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.